Hey, how's it going?
Welcome to Daikin, Dave.
The place is huge.
It is big, but what was the football?
74 football fields.
Oh my, all
Got
right.
a lot to cover.
Yeah, come on in. So as part of this facility, we wanted to provide a space for our professional customers to come here and really experience with Daikin.
You come with current technologies and then to kind of dream about that next generation.
But also we want to show them what we have today so they can kick the tires. You can have an idea about a product itself, but once you see it, once you experience it, it can really create some light bulb moments. Here, we dream big.
Oh, I'm seeing it. I mean, Jenny and I make homes better for today. Here at Daikin, you are making homes better for tomorrow.
That's right. Let me show you around.
Okay.
So we're obviously in a very important part of the building right now. That's a Daikin fit line.
Okay.
And I want you to meet Jeremy.
Okay.
And he will tell you all about why and how right here in Texas.
Jeremy?
Hey, how's it going?
Dave, Mark.
Nice to meet you. Hey guys, welcome to our Daikin Fit line. So this is a factory in a factory where we research, design, and assemble products right here for delivery in North America. We source some of our most dangerous jobs to automate for the protection of the employees. The processes and products are designed with an aim at reducing energy consumption and our carbon footprint.
So this is our monitoring center to detect any kind of errors on the system that we're connected to throughout the nation or leaks. It's really important to detect the leaks ahead of time or even before they happen. Not only saves our customer a lot of major repair costs down the line, but it also reduces the impact on the environment.
Okay.
As you can see from all these photos in the hallway, we're very involved with our community.
I mean, you can clearly see that volunteering is a big part of this company.
Dojo is a Japanese term that means immersive learning or hands-on training, right? So that's where we prepare all of our workers before they really get down into the manufacturing floor.
Wow. So all the brazing, all that happens right here.
And we're very lucky to have here the only brazing meister outside Japan, James.
It's nice to meet you, James. Brazing Meister, that's amazing. Okay, so why is it important to braise properly?
So done well, brazing can reduce the waste of
Okay.
material and gas in our process.
Okay.
And brazing is critical for reducing leaks in our products.
Okay, so can I learn how to braise?
Absolutely, sure. Let's do it.
To see and learn more, visit sustainabilityseries.com.